Many species of birds shape nature. So see if you can identify them too. In today's video, I am talking about several species of birds. Today you can hear their sound. Let's go to the video then. The Toco Toucan, also known as the common toucan or giant toucan, is a species of bird in the toucan family Ramphastidae. The toucan family includes 5 genera and over 40 different species. Some of these birds have names like aracari or toucanet. Although they spend a lot of time in trees, they are not very good at flying. Toucans mainly travel among trees by hopping. When they do take flight, they flap their wings vigorously and glide, traveling only short distances. Toucans nest in the hollows of trees. Toucans eat mostly fruit, but also consume insects, rodents, and invertebrates. Preferred food items in the wild include fruits, a variety of insects, and small reptiles and amphibians. Although most toucans live in groups, it is believed that they are monogamous, at least during the breeding season and while rearing young. Breeding occurs during the spring. Then, the female lays 1 to 5 shiny white eggs deep in a tree cavity and incubates the eggs for 15 to 18 days. A toucan can live for up to 20 years. The Toco Toucan is the largest. They weigh 2 pounds and can grow up to 25 inches long. Their beak accounts for half of their length. Their colorful beak makes them one of the world's most popular birds. Flamingos are types of birds. They are noisy birds and they live in big groups called flocks. Flamingos are wading birds. This means they live by water, such as lakes. They are in the genus Phenicopterus and family Phenicopteridae. There are 6 species of flamingo. 2 species are found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. The other 4 are found in North America and South. Flamingos are pink or red. This is because of small bacteria that live in water which the flamingos eat. This small bacteria is known as carotenoids. This is a pigment that causes the plumage color you see on flamingos. They also eat small crayfish and algae. Baby flamingos are gray. Flamingos can fly. This is why they have wings. Flamingos are very tall birds and they have long legs. They often stand on only one leg. Scientists found that they do this because it takes less energy than standing on 2 legs. Flamingo have a curved beak that is shaped like a banana. Flamingos can weigh up to 4 kilograms and be up to 145 centimeters tall. They live up to around 47 years. A peafowl is a bird of the phasianid family. It is a relative of the pheasant. There are 2 species of peafowl, the Asiatic peafowl, Pavo, and the Congo peafowl, Afroparvo congensis. The Congo peafowl is the only member of the pheasant family that originated outside Asia. The peafowl is native to Southeast Asia, including India and Pakistan. The male peafowl can have up to 150 brightly colored feathers on its tail coverts. For centuries, peafowl have been admired for their beauty and hunted for their meat. Recently, peacocks have become more popular in parks and gardens. Peacocks are large, colorful pheasants, typically blue and green, known for their iridescent tails. Distinctive tail feathers. The male peafowls called peacocks have long, colorful feathers. Female peafowls called peahens have shorter, brown feathers. They like to eat any kind of green shoots, flowers, veggies, grass, etc., as well as wheat and cracked corn. Owls are birds in the order Strigiformes. There are 200 species. Most of them are solitary and nocturnal. In fact, they are the only large group of birds that hunt at night and in twilight. A few owls are also active during the day. They feed on small mammals such as rodents, insects, and other birds, and a few species like to eat fish as well. As a group, owls are very successful. They are found in all parts of the world except Antarctica, most of Greenland, and some small islands. An owl has a big head, flat face, hooked beak, and short tail. The wings of an owl are long. Owls have brown, gray, or white plumage with streaks or spots. Owls are good at looking at things far from their eyes, but they cannot see anything clearly within a few centimeters of their eyes. Owls use small feathers on their beak and feet that help them feel the prey it catches. The dull colors of the owl's feathers make them less visible by camouflaging the owl. This helps them as they roost during the day. Owls have fantastic hearing. The shape of the head helps slight sounds reach the ears. Owls have special adaptations that help them swivel their heads 270 degrees. A swan is a kind of water bird, from the genera Cygnus and Coscaroba. They are in the subfamily Anserininae. Many swans live in colder places, such as Northern Europe, Asia, and North America. They live on water. They swim on top of the water and eat plants off the bottom of ponds, lakes, or oceans. They also eat insects and other small animals. A baby swan is called a cygnet. Swans are tough, strong birds. Swans are highly protective of their nests. They will attack anything they see as a threat to their chicks, including humans. Most swans are white. They are found in the Northern Hemisphere. This means they are found in Europe, Asia, and North America. However, the black swan is black with a red beak. It lives in Australia. The black-necked swan has white flight feathers and black outer feathers. It lives in South America. They also have a small area of skin between the eyes and beak that has no feathers. This area can be of different colors, such as yellow or orange. Wild swans migrate. They spend the cold part of the year eating and getting fat in one place and move to a warmer place to lay eggs and raise chicks. The Coscaroba swan is different from the other swans. Some scientists think it is more like a duck or a goose. It is smaller than the other swans. This swan lives in South America. Don't forget to subscribe to us and click the bell icon to watch such interesting information daily. Thank you.